All right, PC boards are back. Thanks to PCB Way for sponsoring the channel. We have our boards, and here they are. Zoom in on one. Make sure IMSAI Dog is okay. There he is, IMSAI Dog. So this is the Kaypro 27C512 adapter card. And I made it a little bit thinner. I made it a 1.2 instead of a 1.6 board, just because I thought the aspect ratio was such that I just wanted a thinner board. I hate those big chunky little boards. Anyway, it turned out really nice. I like that form factor. So how does it work? All right, here's one in action. I am using a flash part. It is a W27C512. I don't remember the Win something or other. They make a pin-compatible 27C512, but it's a flash part, so you can use it over and over and over again. And then here are the little jumpers, and so I have it set to 000. And so I don't forget, down over here, I'm gonna have to lean in. Gonna have to lean in. Come on, camera, lean in. I made a little cheat sheet here. So I've got the 81487A, B, and C, the K Plus, and the Advent Turbo. Oops, and the Advent Turbo. So these are all of the jumper settings here. So, so let's go ahead and move them around and see what happens. All right, so I have it set to 000, and it comes up with the A ROM, which is 201. Let me move jumper A13 over. So A13 will be high. We'll do a reset. Look at that. We'll do a reset. And now we have 02. Now let me move the jumpers again. And we'll go to number 2. There we go. We'll hit the reset. And there we go. That's the C version of the ROM. And then let's go to 3. Let's hit the reset. And that's the K Plus version. And then, now I've got to move all 3 of them. Let's see, this one moves, and this one moves. Uh-oh. Let me get my tweezers out, that'll make it easier. And now we're in the Turbo ROM. So there we go. All the different versions of ROM work. So I like this new edition. Okay, well that was a short little video, but these boards will be available on my share site over on PCB Way. And if you've got a Kaypro, or even if you have some other project where you want to replace your lower capacity ROM with a higher capacity ROM, and then be able to select between the different programs, this is a nice way to do it.